Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix when you cannot open HTTPS link in your Windows. If you're unable to open any HTTPS links in Windows and receive an error such as your PC doesn't have an app that cannot open this link or get an app to open this HTTPS link, this is typically due to a misconfiguration in your default app settings or web protocols. So here are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now the first step is to go ahead and reset all default apps on your computer. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings, you will have to go and navigate to apps and click on apps. And then on the right hand side, you will see an option for default apps. Click on it. You will have to scroll down to the respective apps. Now, since you're not able to open HTTPS, then you will have to go ahead and choose your browser which you're using. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome as a default browser. So I will scroll down to the extreme bottom until you locate Google Chrome. In your case, it could be a different browser. If you're using Microsoft Edge or Firefox, then you will have to go ahead and choose Firefox or Edge. So for the demonstration purpose, I will go ahead and choose Google Chrome. And in my case, Google Chrome is also a default app. Once you are on this, you will have to go ahead and click on Set Default. Once you set default, you might want to go ahead and restart your computer and then check if you are able to open HTTPS link. So this action will restore all protocols and file association to their default state, which often resolves this issue with HTTPS links not opening. Now, in spite of this, if you're still facing a problem, the next step, what you could do is you can manually set your default browser for HTTPS and HTTP. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings page, you will have to navigate to apps and click on apps. And then on the right hand side, you will have to go ahead and choose default app. Now here, you will have to go ahead and choose your preferred browser or your default browser. So in my case, I would still go ahead and choose Google Chrome. Click on Google Chrome. Now here, you will have to scroll down or look for HTTPS and HTTP protocol. So you will have to scroll down to the extreme bottom and look for HTTPS and HTTP. Here you will have to click on this arrow and then choose your default browser and then click on set as default. And at the same time, you can click on the HTTPS and then choose your default browser. So this will decide how do you want to open your HTTPS or HTTP link. So if you choose a different browser, and then HTTPS links would open with the respective browser. Once this is done, you may close this window, restart your computer, and then check if your issue has been resolved. Now, in spite of restarting the computer, if your issue doesn't resolve, the next step is you might want to go ahead and uninstall the respective browser and reinstall it. Once you reinstall the browser, repeat the same steps what you have followed, and that should fix the problem. In addition to it, you can also ensure your system is up to date by checking for Windows Update by doing a right click on the start button and then clicking on settings, and then go to Windows Update. Check if there are any updates to be installed by clicking on check for the updates. In case if there are any updates to be installed, you may go ahead and install those updates, restart your computer, and then that should resolve this issue. So in spite of trying all this step, still facing the same problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.